I have Ariens Zoom 34 mod number 915131 blade actuator will not engage. I have 12.3 volts going to the wire harness.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Ariens tool or machine? How old is it?
The machine purchased March 24, 2010 has 140 hours runtime. Oil and gas filter change and other items recommend in the owner manual 2 months ago.
How long has this been going on with your Ariens? What have you tried so far?
Noticed about 3 weeks ago while mowing blade slowing down. Replaced mower deck belt. That seemed to fix. Mowed lawn next time no problems. But today problem came back. Blade slow down, I shut off the PTO switch and now will not engage.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
12 volts going to actuator. Ohmed out the actuator. Seems to be open.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Actuator? Do you mean the blade clutch on the bottom of the engine that drives the deck belt? The electric clutch has to have continuity through the coil. With no continuity, the clutch is bad. You can run battery jumpers direct to the clutch, and if the magnet does not engage, it is bad.
I own the harness wires and I do not get a reading. Seems no continuity they coil.
https://www.powerequipmentparts.com/p/pto clutch for Ariens 915131, 915151, 010000 up Briggs Stratton 34 mower /?GCLID equals EEA Cobschmage 60E754 Givj CH0 GCE Kayasa Beagle T_D_Bue. Clutch coil is like a light bulb, has to have a complete coil, or it will not work.
I will get off the machine tomorrow morning. It will be hard to get to. I am pretty sure it's bad. I will get back to you. Thanks.
Okay.
Update: this part is a pneumatic actuator, not an electric clutch. I removed from the machine and disassembled unit to find a foreign object jamming the piston. Apparently left inside during manufacturing process. How it had operated for 10 years without having a problem is a mystery. Due to slight damage, decided to replace with new unit. Apparently there are machines out there that use these actuators. I should be good to go at this point. Thanks for your help.
Leave it to Ariens to do things differently. Good job.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.